amazing? Isn't it surprising? Isn't it? Thank you, Lord!
Akala ko yun na yun. Pero God has a greater plan for me. Yung hindi mo may imagine.
Hey, sunshine! It's another day. Rise and shine. So for today's video, sakay na sa trip ni Shine! Okay, anyway. As you could notice, iba yung nag-intro last week. Kasi sumakit yung tiyan ng ate nyo. Hindi ko alam kung nung nakain ko pero kailangan ko ng sub. So buti na lang si Ate A available. This week, I really don't know how to explain this kind of feeling na wala, I'm so thankful kasi very amazing week. Para bang, isn't it amazing? Isn't it surprising? Isn't it, thank you, Lord? Ganun yung masasabi ko. Anyway, hindi ko man lahat na document, pero at least, di ba, meron lang tayong clip na nakunan during this week. Let's go! Sakay na! Amazing week! So today, it's already Tuesday. And yesterday, we've documented a little bit of our day kasi marami tayong ginawa. Early in the morning, we went to the airport. Nag-inquire for my OJT. Ang buhay ay weather lang. Welcome to Iloilo International Airport. Tapos, nag-medical ako for our OJT as well. And then, pumunta tayo ng office. Nag-duty ako even for just 2 hours. At least meron tayong kinita. And then, by the afternoon, I went to the school to pass my medical. Pagbalik ko sa office, I also prepared my documents. Going home, dun ko na na-feel yung pagod. Kaya, kagabi, ako ay nagkaroon ng chills. Tumakit yung ulo ko. Na-feel ko yung sakit ng katawan ko. And early in the morning kanina, I feel so unwell talaga. Ngayon, kahit hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko, I still have to do things para ma-complete ko yung documents, magawa ko yung mga para sa kinabukasan ko. Seryoso, para ni Sakon? Weh. Ano isip mo? Aww. Ano naisip mo? Macau. Thank you. Mami, Aww. Tagaan niya ko pasalubong. May kwarta sa Macau, Macau. Pero subong Macau, unta. Amazing week! Good morning, people of the world. Today is Wednesday na and I'll be going to school early in the morning. Siguro hindi naman halata na hindi pa ako nakapaligo. And look at that, that's so cute. So, pagdating tayo ng school, ay papasok naman ako. Brush your makeup. Okay, I need that. Yes! Finally!
Akala ko yun na yun. Pero God has a greater plan for me. Yung hindi mo may imagine.
Hindi ko abi ko ginunyo itong nakulbaan ko kung ano possible ay hindi ko nila pag i-accept kay mayara ko si medical condition. Pero ang ilaging himo iya tungkol kay may medical condition ka dili ka na lang sa monitor nila
God showed me His favor. He places me on the right place.
Kailangan mo yan. Kailangan mo problema. Kailangan ko pa ng mga police and BI. Hindi Grabe mo lang yan kami mo sa morning. Pati ako gani, magpabako, di ba? Okay na arrangement. Ay, grabe! Better, gito kayo eh. Pili mo tanan nga, travel agency, museum, ang airport, ikatuan mo, wala kang kabalo kung ano, diin ka maano. Siyempre, mo na lang gina-prayer kung diin mo pumunta. Hindi ako na yan. Si Lord, ito yan. Hindi ako to yan.
Alam kong hindi ako yon. Alam kong si Lord talaga yung may gawa nun.
At yun na nga ang nangyari, guys. Hindi ko alam. Who am I to deserve this? Who am I that the Lord of all the earth could care on Monday? Parang ganun talaga yun eh. Okay, so kung ganun man ang reaction ko, guys, hindi niyo ako masisisi. Kasi this is how amazing God is. This is how He bless, how He gives surprises. Sobra pa sa love life. Ibang level, promise. Ibang level talaga mag-surprise ang Lord. And sino hindi kikiligin doon? Dami naming pinasukan na pwede natin ma-OJT-han. Pero pa talaga si Lord eh. From the very first beginning, sabi ko, kung saan yung will ng Lord or saan ako ilalagay ng Lord, I will follow. For me, I just want to do my part. I just want to do my best. And si Lord na bahala kung saan ako ilalagay. But the end of it all, wow. Amazing talaga si Lord! Nagkaroon kami ng meeting together with my teacher, which is the coordinator of our school. And alam nyo, she just asked, is it okay sa ganitong setup? Hindi mo alam, ma'am, kung gaano ako ka-thankful, kung gaano ako ka-blessed for you giving me this opportunity. You know, God never leaved you. God never leave me. Since from the beginning of my journey talaga as a college student. Hindi ko akalain. Papasok ako sa 4th year. I thought I was not going to school.
I thought I was going back to school. I was worried and I thought like the only thing that I pray for now is that I can graduate. I can graduate.
I'm gonna go through a 3rd year. Bakit umiiyak? Blush on lang yan, guys. The Lord gave me this strength. And it is not my strength. It is God's strength talaga. Hindi ako yun ang masasabi ko. It's not me. It is really God. It's really God. Hindi ako yung credit ng lahat ng nangyayari sa akin for the whole year of being 3rd year student. Lahat ng ginawa, it's not my strength. It is really God's strength. It is not my work na I have to. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of God. Anong ginagawa ng Lord sa life ko? Bakit umiiyak? Wait lang. We might have our different journeys. Iba yung problema na pinanggagalingan mo or nararamdaman mo ngayon. But I just want you to know that God works in ways that we cannot see. We don't have to expect something from God. We just have to trust in Him. We just have to rely on Him. We just have to have this relationship with Him. Gusto lang naman ng Lord na mahalin mo siya. Gusto lang naman ng Lord na bigyan mo siya ng importansya sa buhay mo. Kasi, hindi man naman nag-promise yung Lord na madali ang buhay. But He promised that He will never leave me, you, nor forsake me and you. I really appreciate these tears because it is a tears of joy. It is a tears of victory. It is God's work. Wow! Amazing talaga si Lord. I want to be a voice. I want to be a one of the life that will testify, that will boast of God's goodness, of God's faithfulness. This life isn't mine, it is God. And this life would like to share that the Lord is a living God. He is not an image, just an image. He's not a wood. He's not a metal. The Lord is living. We might not see God, but we can feel God. Let God work in your life. Thank you, Lord. To God be the glory talaga. To God be the glory. So as I always say, shine for Jesus. So yon, I hope you like and subscribe and comment the next topic that we could share. God bless you. Bye. See you in the next vlog.
Great things for me. His faithfulness to me.
First time natin mag-isip ng content. Talagang pinag-isipan ko siya.